Discover the magic of turning IKEA wardrobes into your dream rainbow dressing room, a DIY glam makeover story. Imagine turning ordinary furniture into a luxury spectacle of color and style. That's exactly what happened in a jaw-dropping transformation we followed, revealing how budget-friendly IKEA wardrobes were turned into a stunning dressing room, bursting with a rainbow of glamour. But here's where it gets fascinating. A peek behind the designer's curtain might inspire you to rethink your own home decor. Creating a statement dressing room was a dream I had for years, says Siobhan Murphy of Interior Curve. She envisioned an old Hollywood glamour mixed with modern maximalism. It wasn't just about fashion flair, it was about creating a space filled with daily joy and over-the-top glamour. A room that welcomes sequins, feathers, and the ultimate dressing-up experience. And here's how she did it. What's more admirable than a vibrant and bold color palette? The eye-popping hues were inspired by Siobhan's own wallpaper design. Blossom Fandango imagined shades of dreamy peach, green, and pink for a look that's straight out of an Art Deco dream. The exterior of the wardrobes reveals this artistic flair, while the inside offers a vibrant, peachy orange, contrasted with the elegance of vintage verdigris green. The appeal to intriguing color combinations. Say no to it. Timeless color combinations can create a truly original experience. But here's where it gets controversial. If you unclash colors without restraint, you can transform your interior into a dazzling Hollywood dressing room. This room is boisterous, glamorous, and a little over the top, just the way you like it, am I right? And this is a great way to do yeses. The spectacle of mirrors stepping a wonderland-like frame, and the cuving from Aurak give everything grand, and the curtain rods. It isn't just the bold colors. It's the attention to detail